This is a mulberry tree. It's where we keep our outdoor thermometer. Well, it's actually an indoor thermometer, but we hang it up. What is it? About 90 degrees today in the shade. What's that? 33 or something, 32. That's what it is. So it's quite hot today, but not as hot as it can get. Anyway, this is a mulberry tree. It's a mulberry tree, look. This one doesn't have a lot of berries on it yet. Oh, there's one. There's one, but it hasn't put on a whole flush yet, this tree. There's one. It's got a nice sting in it, that one. It wasn't completely black. I like them with a bit of sting. We're going to pick mulberries, hooray! Look at all these juicy black mulberries. Look at them. Aren't they lovely? So ripe and beautiful, and the flying foxes haven't found them. Nor have all the birds. There's been a lot of rain, so I think a lot of native fruits and things might be making the native birds and animals happy, because I haven't eaten all my fruits. I haven't even taken all my almonds yet. Where are you? There's a ripe one. Aren't they beautiful? I've discovered that mulberries are really nice with ice cream. They are, they're beautiful with ice cream. I don't like eating the stems though. I have to spend a few minutes plucking all the stems off them. They're so nice. Yummy. Whether it be cream, ice cream, vegan ice cream, whatever, they're nice with cream. Or imitation creams. So nice and yummy. So yummy. Extremely yummy. Extremely yummy. Oh, so nice. I can't wait. So nice. I can't wait to have them with ice cream. Yes, I need something to cool me down in the dreadful heat. That should cool me down, shouldn't it? That should cool me down. You can just eat them fresh, or you can sweat them in a saucepan. Sweat them until they leak, and mash them and drain off the solid part and use the syrup for, well, you can use it for a cordial or anything if you add sugar. They're very nice. Cooling. 40 years ago there used to be a mulberry tree hanging over the fence of a nursery in North Tarramurra, and this girl and I used to pick them while they were hanging over the footpath. They weren't doing any harm. Our lips used to go purple. See ya. I wouldn't want to be her.